Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to do some reading from Smile with English. So let us turn to page 12. Read aloud I sound, short I sound. Now here, the short I sound, we say A. So here I becomes A. D, D. So together we say it. So when you read, you will listen to the words and read like this. Bit, did, hit, get, lit, writ. Now the next one. Now here I becomes A. G, G. Together we say ick. So when you read, you will listen and read like this. Big, dig, fig, jig, pick, wick. Now the next one. Here I becomes A. N, N. Together we say in. So when you read the words, you will listen and read like this. Bin, din, fin, pin, tin, win. Now the next one. Here I becomes A. P, P. Together we say ip. So when you read the words, you will listen and read like this. Dip, hip, lip, nip, sip, zip. Now let us look at the next one. Here I becomes A. T, T. Together we say it. So when you read the words, you will listen and read like this. Bit, fit, hit, kit, pit, sit. So for today, we are going to do the short I sound. We say A. Thank you.